Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to talk about the battery on your car. A lot of people have issues with these cars as far as like getting dash lights, this, that, and the other thing. The battery is usually your number one culprit. I recently had to change mine. I ended up going with an interstate. I figured, why buy a Honda battery again when they're just going to fail in a short amount of time. I actually was one of the lucky ones where my battery lasted, my car's almost 4 years old, so you know, a little under 4 years, 33,000 miles, so it's not too bad. And I didn't get all the warning signs. I actually found out my battery was going bad a different way, which I'm going to go over right now. So as a lot of you know, I have a dash cam in my car. It has park mode, so the camera is constantly running. So what was happening is, when I would come to my car in the morning, once in a while, the dash cam was actually powered off. So that basically said that the battery went below a certain voltage. So instead of the battery dying, it has, you know, it actually has something that stops it from killing your battery so that you can still start the car. So long story short, the dash cam was turned off. So that happened multiple times, so I was questioning, is the dash cam bad or is it my battery? Because I didn't get all the Christmas tree lights. I'll flash a picture up what that looks like, what a lot of people get, because that's one of the first indicators that your battery is going bad, is you just get random warning lights on your dash because everything's electronic in this car. I didn't get that. My dash cam was actually the telltale sign. So once I decided, let me just change the battery before I start messing around with the dash cam, because I didn't feel the dash cam was wrong. My battery was getting old. I decided, let me just go replace the battery. Like I said, I decided to go with this interstate. You know, I wasn't a huge fan of the green at first. Factory battery is black, but that doesn't look too bad. I believe it's stronger. It has more cold cranking amps than the Honda battery. This is the model number I went. Here are the specs. See if I can get that clear for you. There you go. So yeah, I replaced the battery, and instantly, as soon as the next day came, dash camera was working. Day after day, my dash camera was working, never turning off. So the battery never went below the 11.6 volts that it requires, and that also requires you to be able to start your car minimally at that, roughly. So basically, the dash cam was my telltale sign, unlike most people that have all the random dash lights. So I just wanted to give you guys an update how to check for your battery. That's one of the signs that I had, because I have the dash cam. If you guys do have dash cams and you notice your dash cam is off in the morning after being parked all night, it's probably your battery, it's not the dash cam. Or if you get random warning lights, and I'll flash that picture up for you guys again, that's going to say stabilization, headlights, all those warning lights. If you get that message on your dash, that is the other telltale sign that it's your battery. Don't start freaking out and saying, oh, my car's broken, this, that, the other thing. More than likely, you could either get your battery checked, or more than likely just replace that battery and you'll be good to go. All those dash lights will be gone and they won't come on anymore. Because this car is basically, you know, all electronics. Everything functions that way. So that's pretty much it for the video today, guys. I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. It's a very common talked about thing. No one really makes too many videos about it from what I've seen. So I figured I'd put a video out there regarding making sure your battery life is good. That way you don't get stuck. And also how to diagnose it. So if you guys have any questions, concerns, anything like that, leave them in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Like always, guys, take care and thanks for watching.